Day 2 of the Old Iron Ride. And my hair is sweet. Yeah, we're going out to ride again. Hopefully I can ride better than I did yesterday. Hopefully my sled runs better. Didn't do anything to fix it. Probably should have. Everybody else did. But yeah, we're just gonna go out, be a rider, and hopefully we have a lot of fun. I think we will. We're not going to the same area as yesterday. We're going to a different area, but yeah, should be really fun. I'm excited. These guys are awesome. And oh, Travis the chef is coming. I don't think he's cooking anything for us, but he's coming to ride. So that's cool because I like him a lot. He's a super cool guy. So yeah, we're just cruising along here. Beautiful mountains here. They're so big. Just neato. Anyways, alright. We'll show you this avalanche debris up here in a second. Also, I feel like I do need to rip a line where I'm wearing my jersey. Right? That'd be cool. It's cold though. It's cold here. That's almost 40. Anyways. Alright, there's the slide path. Well, there's a couple of them. There's another one. There's the slide path though. And look at all this debris. Both sides of the road. Oh, golly, look, it just took out those trees. Pushed way up into there. Way over here. Wow. Yeah, anyways. I thought that was cool. Maybe if we just look at it through my phone. No.
See it through it?
Kind of. Not really. If I zoom in. No. Holy cow! Look out!
Yeah.
The tree just stopped at there. Oh. But he was right there.
You okay?
Sendero.
Awesome.
Kyle's sandwich is ready for lunch now too.
Oh yeah. No.
Any bets on who loses the side hill first?
Here we go.
The oldest sled there? Cat. Big cat. Oh no.
Man, he might be hurt.
Oh no. end of day 2. It was awesome. Started to figure out the sled a little bit. Still not where I could totally like side hill through trees and stuff, but started to figure it out a bit more. Still need to do a bit more of it. But it is awesome watching these guys that know how to ride the old sleds rip. We did a big climb, had fun, just super fun day. Really glad I did it. So anyways, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video, and yeah, thanks for sticking around. Whoa.